Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is May 29 and the chart of the day for today is the FTSE 60 minutes time frame here. So we ended with 2 here on April 7 at 75.60. So this is the low after the sell-off due to the tariff war. And then from there we started to rally, and the structure of the rally, it sort of looks like an impulse with a nest 1 2 1 2. And now we are looking to finish with 5 of 3 with a bit more upside, 2 more up, right? 2 more highs. Will be ending 5 in black, and then we'll be ending 3 in red, and then with a 4 in red, 5 in red to finish a 5-ways rally from here, and that should be ending with 1 of 3, right? So if I zoom out now on the weekly time frame, you can see there's a wave 2 here, 75.60. So that's your wave 2, and this is your wave 1. Now we are very close to break above wave 1 again right now, and once we do get a break above wave 1, that will sort of confirm the idea that the low is already in place, and that will rule out a possible double correction like so. Now technically speaking, until it breaks above wave 1, a double is not something you can rule out unless it breaks above wave 1. But overall, with the rally looking kind of impulsive from the low, the odds is that the low is really in place and that we can see more upside. Now I think the idea here then in the shorter cycle is this cycle is mature, guys, right? Even though yes, we keep calling it higher, but the cycle is mature, meaning that we could potentially see a bigger pullback soon, right? And therefore I don't think it is a good risk to reward to try to keep chasing in the shorter cycle here with not understanding the cycle is mature, right? I think the most ideal scenario here is that we can see more upside to break above wave 1. So the most ideal scenario is like this: we do more upside in the shorter cycle and break above that peak from wave 1, and then that will confirm wave 2 is in place, and that will be finishing with 1 in the higher degree, right? And then you will after that see a bigger pullback, but then because we take out the one, this one is confirmed to be a low, and so then that means this pullback will find support in 3 ways for the next leg up. So that's the most ideal scenario I can think about. Shorter cycle, risky to chase, and ideally it can extend high a bit more, ideally to take out this peak that will confirm the low is in place. Then we can consider buying the dips in 3 ways. Don't like selling it either, because it is a bullish market, it is not a bearish market, right? So again, time and patience is required. I know a lot of people do not have that, right? Especially retail traders, but that's the way it is. I think time and patience is required to confirm, because we're getting close to break anyway. So ideally it breaks, then pull back, and then we can consider buying the dips, since the low here is kind of confirmed to be in place by breaking above the previous peak. Alright, so that's the update for today. As always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14-day trial. The link is in the description of the video. Also, if you are new to Elliott Wave and want to learn more about this technique, you can browse our catalogs of classes and courses and see which one can potentially help you. Alright, so the link is also in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.